end is...
Take a good look at me. Yeah, that's right. I'm a friggin' dog. Yesterday I was like all fine and dandy. And now, just woke up out of bed and I'm a dog. The bed's like 10 times the size of me. The only way you can help me is if you subscribe, comment, and like. It's the only way you're gonna be able to help me turn back into a human. So you better help me. Till then, I'm gonna be a friggin' clown dancing to the chicken song. So enjoy.
This is just another Donut Productions, except for at the end, and